Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Well, I've just popped out. I was at home on board. I've been working on stuff. Been home all day pissing with rain. I've been really pissing with rain. It's Friday night. It's about 11:30 and I've popped out for something to eat. And believe it or not, I picked up 5 French people, 3 women and 2 guys, lost on Sukhumvit Road. Oh, unbelievable. Walking on, literally on the road, I couldn't believe it. So anyway, I've brought them down. I've dropped them off at just by Alcazar, although it's closed. And coming past, I've seen this. I'll show you. Well, it's a food market that's literally just on Second Road here. Just past the Alcazar Ladyboy Cabaret. And this is allegedly, let's have a quick zoom up there, Soho Town, the first ever Chinatown in Pattaya City. So I was going to go to takeaway and get a noodle soup, but I've decided to stop here and have a look, and just to show you, let you know. But there's all different little food shops, little marketplace. It's quite cheap, the food, but it's good. Like I said, it's good. I'll let you know if it's good, but it all looks good. I don't know when this opened. As you can see, it is all new, and there's a few little shops there still to be taken, to be rented. I've no idea what's going in up the back there, but it looks like work in progress up the back. A large building. There's a lot of fish here. There's a few fish stalls, all on ice. But it does look very nice. There's a lot of Thai, what appear to be Thais eating here as well. And there's a lot of fish. But most of this side here, well, all of it seems to be fish. Another fish one over there. So it's mainly fish. I'm not having fish. So I've had an order. And I'll show you when it comes. Okay, so here we are back with the food, and I've gone for the, I do like this. It's pineapple stuffed with prawns, rice, cashew nuts, and I don't know, furry stuff. What is that? Furry stuff. That's alright. These little beef skewers, I thought they'd be a bit bigger, but as you can see, they are quite small. This was 200 baht, 140 baht for this, and 60 baht for that. So I'll tuck in and I'll let you know how it was. So that was that done. Very nice. Was very nice. 200 baht. Yeah. I like pineapple in. I like pineapple in my food. I like pineapple in anything. So yeah, I liked it. It was nice. The skewers were beef. I didn't know that. There isn't anything in English. It's Chinese and Thai. All the menus, the writing. Prices are in English. yeah, that's about it. But all in all, very nice place. Be better when it's busy, which won't be long there, maybe a month. End of November. We'll pick up nice. It's a nice little place. Anyway, this is going to be a part one. Not a part one, like a first half, second half. I'm going to find somewhere else before I put this out. So I'll go and have a look around ready. See you there. Hello people, I'm ever so sorry that the vlog didn't go out Sunday night. It should have been the third night, but I have been very, very ill. I'm here today. This is the general clinic. We're in Noam Pleb 1. Just down here at the end there is Sukhumvit Road. It's between Sukhumvit Road and down here is the train line. So it's between there. This here is the clinic, right on the corner here. It's very, very good. I done the foodie bit Friday night. Saturday morning I woke up, I went to the bathroom and
I went to the toilet, and with the gentlest of pushes the world fell out of my arse.
yeah, it wasn't nice, it really wasn't, and it's been the same for 3 days. I've taken everything, I've taken nothing's changed, nothing's stopped. He did ask me, he said, well, what was the consistency like? And I told him.
I said, have you ever emptied an old radiator?
He said, yeah, it sounds bad. It's, he asked me what I ate at the Chinese, the Soho Town Chinese food market. The first and only one in Pattaya, and hopefully the fucking last. Prawns were in the rice, in the pineapple. He said that's it. So anyway, I've had injections. I've also got a bag of goodies. The whole thing, I've got although I've got 2 more injections to have tomorrow and Wednesday to hopefully finish the course. But I do have also antibiotic pills in here, other stuff. There's a bloody bag full. It comes to 1,400 baht, but each injection more tomorrow is 750 baht for the injection, and Wednesday also, which hopefully I'll be back to normal by then. I couldn't go out, I couldn't leave the house, I couldn't leave the bathroom. I had to be within, well, yeah, Mickey can tell you.
I said, I've got about 5 seconds between I think I'm going to shit myself and when I will.
So anyway, well, there's nothing I could do, and I really am sorry, I do apologise. I could have gone out and had some more and shit myself 2 or 3 times while I was doing it. I don't think that's nice. Well, for me, I don't suppose you'd think it was funny. So anyway, I do apologise, and we're back on track normal, hopefully for be out tonight, Thursday. Nothing I can do about it. My apologies. Anyway, see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
I don't want to taste.
You think that older woman thing is true?
Yeah, it's true.